Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location just outside of Buffalo, New York. Why am I dressed in this, you ask? Because today is October 31st, 2021, which means it's Halloween. That's right. Today I'm going to do kind of a weird, different sort of vlog. I like to go a little bit overboard at Halloween time and decorate my house a little bit more than usual. So I thought for once I would take a video of what my house looks like at Halloween and all the steps it took me to get there. So a little different than normal, but what the heck, I like to change things up a little bit. So, no tickets required today. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along. Come on, eyes, work with me. There we go. Ooh. For the record, this costume is the most hot and uncomfortable thing I have ever purchased, so I don't recommend it. Before you could really appreciate what it looks like at night, I wanted to get a shot of the house during the daytime. You can see there's the upper windows, there's the lower windows. So let's bring on the night. And here we are at nighttime, and this is what we're looking at here. Let me get out to the road so you can see the full effect of the house. And that's just it. I got my eyes up in the window, one projection effect, and the other projection effect here. Let's walk in and see it all together. I always like to do this window as a projection. And then the upper window, this is always my favorite effect. Two eyes looking down at me. Kind of cool. Then there's the big living room window. We've got two scenes going on here. We have the Skeleton Jazz Band. And then there's the skeleton ball. I just love this effect. It looks really, really cool. I just love it. And of course, in this octagon window, we have Madame Leota telling her fortune. Also have the singing busts from the Haunted Mansion, of course, because you have to have them if you're going to have Madame Leota. So now that you see what it looks like on the outside, I'm going to go inside and show you what it looks like from behind. If you don't like looking behind the curtain, you might want to stop the video now and I'll catch you in the next video. Otherwise, let's go in and see how I did all this. Now that you've decided to stay on and watch the how I did this part of the video, I'm starting here in the living room with the big front porch window. So you can see it's a fairly normal living room, and I would love to leave this up through the whole fall season. Unfortunately, you're going to see in a minute how much space this took up and how disruptive it can be to our house. So unfortunately, I can only put it up the day of Halloween. So let's begin with a nice time lapse of me doing everything. basically it. Now I just have to wait for it to get dark so I can aim the projector on the screen. So this is how the eyeball effect is achieved. It kind of takes away from the magic when you see behind the scenes, but it really is just two 24-inch monitors that are replicating the screen of this looping video of an eye. This is the second story window projection. It's very, very simple to do. If you look there, that is just an old shower curtain that I actually use to paint with, but it doubles up as my projection screen. Now, if you go online, there's lots of really expensive scrim or projection screens that are for sale, and I'm here to tell you a simple $5 white shower curtain does absolutely the same thing at a much lower price. And this is the projector right here and the laptop driving it. Now, these projectors, these older style projectors, are available on eBay for really cheap because nobody really wants them anymore. I think I paid around $30 for this one and maybe $60 or $70 for the one downstairs, but that's how it's done. So this is perhaps the simplest effect of them all. This is the Madame Leota effect in the window, and you can see it's nothing more than a 19-inch monitor hooked up to a laptop with a looping reel of the Madame Leota seance scene. So yeah, and you can see this is our downstairs bathroom, so you could see when I say this is disruptive, this is what I mean when it's disruptive. And that is pretty much how it's all done. Happy Halloween, everybody. That's going to do it for this vlog. I'm glad you came along. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below. Share this video, tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, please consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you be notified of any future vlogs. Till next time, signing off from my front porch. Bye-bye. I'm actually at my house. Why are these lights not working?